One of the original compact crossovers with roots dating back more than 2 decades, the RAV4 continues to be one of the most popular choices in the Toyota showroom. It is hard-earned popularity, the RAV4's spacious cabin, straightforward controls, and the added perk of advanced standard active safety tech such as automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control help widen its appeal. Dynamically, the RAV4 leans heavily toward the soft and easygoing end of the performance spectrum, and its 2 powertrain options, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and a hybrid version with that same engine, don't provide much giddy-up. As far as capability goes, though, there are few crossovers in this class with the cargo space or maximum towing capacity of the RAV4, which makes it attractive to weekend warriors and pragmatic types alike. The biggest news for the RAV4 in 2018 is the addition of the new Adventure model, which receives ruggedized styling and greater ground clearance. Toyota has also made the RAV4's hybrid powertrain available on the entry-level LE model. Changes to the rest of the RAV4 lineup include the addition of a suite of active safety features as standard across the range, which includes automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, automatic high-beam headlamps, and lane keeping assist. An all-new RAV4 is expected to debut as a 2019 model. The one-rung-up RAV4 XLE is the best place to start, with a price of $26,595. Over the base LE trim, it adds a number of niceties to the RAV4's features list, including: we'd augment our RAV4 XLE with the Extra Value Power Plus package for $1,215, which adds blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, a power liftgate, roof rails, proximity key with passive entry and push button start, and a backup camera with grid lines. At $27,810, our front-wheel drive RAV4 XLE falls at the value end of the lineup, since a RAV4 can cost as much as $10,000 more depending on options. All-wheel drive is available on the XLE model for $1,400 for those who need it. Toyota offers the RAV4 with a standard 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that makes a measly 176 horsepower. There's also a hybrid model that uses a version of the same 2.5-liter 4-cylinder but adds 2 AC electric motors for a total combined output of 194 horsepower. The hybrid comes standard with all-wheel drive, but non-hybrid models can be had in either front or all-wheel drive arrangements. Neither of the RAV4's powertrains provided impressive performance on our test track. In fact, both our non-hybrid Adventure test vehicle and the most recent hybrid limited model we tested delivered identical 0 to 60 mph times. Around town,